Hello everyone, today I'm gonna introduce the multi-view mode and the pole switching operation under CM1284, CM1164A, Cascading Installation. And for today's installation, for the first level, we have CM1164A. For the second level, we cascade CM1284. And we recommend under the cascading installation, we better to configure first level devices and the second level devices with different Hotkey configuration. So for today's case, level 1, number lock minus. Level 2, control F12. Okay, then let's start with the port switching for the first level devices. Basically, we recommend two ways to switching port for the first level KVM. You can either utilize the mouse cursor. So let's say if you want to switch to the port 3, you push the icon here, then you can choose the port you want for the first level devices. Okay, you can also utilize the Hotkey. So as I just say, the first level Hotkey is number lock minus. Then you can switch to the port 1, enter. Or you utilize the Hotkey to switch to the port 3, enter. Okay, two ways to switch the port for the first level devices. Then let's move to the multi-view mode switching. Then also we also recommend two ways to switch the multi-mode. The first way is you just utilize the toolbar. Okay, by utilizing the toolbar here, you can switch the multi-view mode for the first level devices. Also, you can utilize the Heartkey. So the Hotkey is number lock minus P2 or 1. Okay, this is the multi-view mode 2 Hotkey. Then you can also utilize the other Hotkey to switch the multi-view mode you want. Okay, so basically we finished the first level port switching and the multi-view mode configuration. Then let's move to the second level. So for the second level port switching, you can also utilize the mouse cursor. Okay, by just utilizing the mouse cursor, you can switch the port. Okay, by utilize the mouse cursor here. Or you can utilize the Hotkey. However, you need to ensure you under the second level. Then recap here, for the second level, the Hotkey is control F12. So for these circumstances, if I want to switch to the second level port 1, Hotkey here, port 1, enter. Then you switch to the second level port 1. Okay, switch to the port 2, for example. Then you switch to the port 2. And also for the multi-view configuration, there is the only way you can do that, to utilize the Heartkey. Okay, P1, enter. Okay, by utilizing the Heartkey, you can switch the second level multi-view mode. And please be reminded here, even you under the second level, this toolbar is only for the first level devices. So you cannot utilize the toolbar here to configure the second level multi-view mode. Okay. Then, how to back to the first level? There is the only one way you can do that. Push the toolbar here. Then you will back to the first level. Okay. So please be reminded, you have to utilize the toolbar to switch between the first level and the second level. Okay. So basically, this is what we have today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.